Dear brothers and sisters, first of all, allow me to express sincere condolences and words of support on behalf of the people of the Republic of Abkhazia to you, people of the Syrian Arab Republic. It is with deep sadness that we have received the news of devastating earthquake in Syria. We saw a huge number of victims and injured. We are following the updates and search for ways to support the brotherly nation. The President of the Republic of Abkhazia, Aslan Bjani, after his phone conversation with the President of the Syrian Arab Republic, Bashar al-Assad, has given instruction to the relevant authorities to form the humanitarian aid and to create facilities for rehabilitation of the Syrian children in the Republic of Abkhazia. Citizens of the Republic, as well as public organizations, have started fundraising campaign since the first day of the disaster. What's more, the Embassy of the Republic of Abkhazia in Syria is ready to provide all possible assistance to the victims. We are also considering the possibility of resettlement to the affected representatives of the Abkhazian diaspora from Syria to Abkhazia. Some families in Abkhazia have expressed their desire to adopt orphan children. This process, of course, needs study and work on appropriate legal framework. The Republic of Abkhazia gives great importance to relations with the brotherly Syrian Arab Republic, and our relations are rapidly getting broader. We share readiness to strengthen humanitarian and cultural ties, as well as strengthen cooperation in trade and economy between our nations, which I am confident have a great potential. Relations between our nations have deep historical basis. Syria has become home to thousands of Abkhaz resettled in the 19th century. Lots of them have become influential political, cultural and military figures. To name a few, General Mamduh Abaza, General Walid Abaza, Dr. Ahmad Kujba, member of People's Council of Syria, Janset Kazanba, and others. They have all been prominent citizens to both the Syrian Arab Republic and to the Republic of Abkhazia. The Republic of Abkhazia, in its Middle East strategy and agenda, is guided by consultations with its main partner in the region, Syria. Dear Syrian people, today we can see the well-known policy of double standards from the collective West. They don't want to help Syria due to political reasons. But such a devastating natural disaster should be out of any politics. In this tragic moment, it's high time to unite and act. Dear people of Syria, we respect you and we love you. Stay strong.